Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Drawing and painting by Hasib. Latest collection, new ideas, boys and men's. New rain parachute style full sleeves with hood styling, zip styling, parachute jackets. Latest ideas for men's and boys. New stylish ideas. In this video of today, I have brought you the most amazing new ideas and new that you can weather to the party weather, the wedding style, summer season, winter season, all season comfortable rain jackets ideas for men's. So I hope you like it and enjoy my video. So please guys, please mention me feedback, mention me comment section for your response, latest and new ideas, latest design, and this channel is mention and me my drawing and painting review. So guys, please watching my video, keep watching my video, and in this channel please subscribe and latest new idea. So guys, I try to be the best and to you guys show more beautiful designs. So I hope that you like it, and if you like it, please apart of from drawing and painting this, I have a lot of drawing and painting ideas from you by the way. So there is latest ideas for hand painting and hand drawing, and you most definitely try that in my channel. See drawing and painting by Hasib, and I will definitely tell you how you feel. So I hope you like it. So please can't like my video, definitely watch my video till the end and will also give feedback. And if you guys want a video on unique ideas from someone else, then you guys can please mention me comment section. So I will definitely share with you guys like this. So inshallah we'll meet again in next video. So latest and new ideas, new collection, new design, new style. So please watching the end. And please mention me